Hello, all students. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Cartier program for creating the basic solid modeling. Okay, let's get started. You open the Cartier program first, and you're going to focus on the main menu file and go down and the new, right? Create a new file and click on the part, click OK, and follow up OK again. You got the empty space, right? Ready to use the tool, the part design tool, create everything, right? The solid model. Okay, another way, this is way number one. Another way you can use it directly. Focus on the tools of part design. Part design using about you need to create a solid modeling. Just one part, right? It's one component. Assembly, okay, it take multi-part come into the assembly module and assemble each other. Right? And right now, I bring you to the part design first. Now you're going to click on the part design. You will get the empty workspace. Right? You need to take the tool to make the solid model. Okay, first I will bring you to how to use the tool in the basic. Right? First, you take the paper and you need to use the sketch. Take it's the front view, right? Okay, the front view, just it. That's it. It's front view, right? The front view you can use it pen directly. Select on the YC pen. YC pen is the front view. XY pen is top view, right? The cloud. If you stand up on the cloud, the cloud is the YC pen, and you forward. You look over, look out, right? In the forward, in your eyesight, right? And that place is around the YC pin, right? That place. And CX the side view, right? You turn left, turn right. Okay, you're going to see the wall. XC pane. Okay, you just imagine the wall. It's a wall. It's a flat surface, right? Okay, the XC pane and front view, right? The flat surface on your front, right? Front of you, right? That is the I call that the YC pane. Right? Okay, right now you need to take. Okay, assume I will get the example this one. Right? I just review for you. Right, this one. This one the part, right? The part. Okay, I need to take the part after you finish everything. I need to view a point of view. You forget on this. This is direction. Okay, you take your eyesight and go around this point of view, right? Point of view. This point of view, I call that and define that the plane to be YC plane, right? It's the YC plane. Okay, just I focus on YC plane, but because the YC plane, a lot of the detail, right? The completed part, right? Because the YC plane, you look at this direction. Okay, you get the feature, the profile, fully, fully. All right. Okay, it's the completed, completed more than another point, another pane. If you look down on here, you will get just it's a rectangular, right? And okay, another way, YZ pane come in here from right side, right? From the right side, you go into here and you look right the rectangular, right? Rectangular again. Okay, that's it. So you will get it. This detail is okay. It's complete more than another pane. There's a focus on that. Okay, this is a detail, right? Detail. Okay, I forgot on the YC pen. Okay, I get the YC pen already, and okay, I forgot something. So this one, this axis, maybe your computer never have the axis like this, right? Axis like this, right? Means something, right? You're going to set up. Normally, okay, you just have like this, right? Okay, this one never have, right? It's a normal something like this. Okay, if you need to take the axis system appear on your screen, you must click on the menu, right, and option, and go down, focus on infrastructure, and uh, look in the detail in the branch, right? Okay, you focus on the part infrastructure. Infrastructure, okay, there are three tabs, right, inside of the tab part infrastructure, and you're going to select on the display part document. So you see about when creating the part, right? Creating part mean okay, using about all of this, which one you need to using for creating the part easier, right? Easier is the helpful tools, right? Helpful tool you can create it. Okay, this one creating an access system. I will take it on my screen because it helped me a lot for creating, define the axis, define the direction, something, right? Uh, in the future, right? That means, okay, I need to set up, show up on my screen at the default, right? Default parameter. I click on here, and apply, and okay. Right? And another way, uh, the size of the axis system, you can design, right? You can define about the size of axis system. If you select on the right, in the right direction, mean you need to create the axis system larger, rather, or bigger, right? Bigger. And slide to left, right? Okay, it's smaller. Uh, okay, right, bigger, left, smaller, right? Something. Okay, IP5 is 17. 17. I push OK. Push OK. Okay, I close it. Sorry, close it. Again, new again. Part, click OK. Click OK again. Okay, it's come in here. Exit system. Okay, by the way, I take you back on the sketch again. I check on that. This one, okay, you just analyze your part first, and this part, you see about the reference point. This is a reference point on of the dimension reference at the point, the center of smaller circle, right? That this one should be the 0, x0, y0 of the paper axis, right? The axis, because it's a reference point for the dimension requirement. This is created from the drawing, right? The drawing something. That's it. I so I just created. I did the center 0.0 and focus on a drag dot. When you drag from left side, right side, right? If you need to orientation of the toolbar become to horizontal, right? You just press shift one time, right, and release. Right? Okay, you fix on the horizontal direction. That means you see about the drawing, right? Drawing different. As one circle is a geometry of the smaller circle, because the all of the profile created from the small geometry is combined together become to the complicate is the model, right? That means I bring you to create just smaller geometry first, and the first one I need to create the smaller circle first, because the smaller circle is the size and dimension is focus and define the distance, define the dimension, right? Different to the center of smaller below, smaller circle below, right? Okay. I make this side, make this create this one, the smaller. Okay, in the principle, create the geometry, small geometry, and simple geometry. Simple geometry, they combine each other, become to the complicated and finished part, finished profile, easier, and it protects you, make yourself confusion as well. Dimension. I follow up the drawing. Click right because you click the point to the point. The program is confuse something little bit, right? That you will use horizontal or vertical because it's point to point and never known about what kind of view, what kind of direction you need to set up the dimension, right? If the program didn't know, that means you make decision again, right? Horizontal, to help the program make decision. Okay, I will need define the horizontal dimension, right? The horizontal descent, something like this. Another way, if you forgot on select the point and the axis, right? Axis, okay. The program it automatically know about you need to define the vertical, right? Define the vertical something. Okay, click on here, and click on here, right? Define it directly and automatically know, right? Because you define horizontal point and horizontal, okay, get it the vertical dimension, something like this. Okay, you define about it. So 2 plus 1 over 4, right? Okay, I make the dimension, right? I follow up the dimension requirement, right? Follow up about this 2 plus 1 over 4, and the horizontal the same thing, 2 plus 1 over 4, and the radius and diameter I follow up. uh, right? You must follow up about the drawing requirement and the dimension requirement. You did very seriously about the product development job this and at R&D and designer. Okay, very serious about this. If you get if you taken about the dimension requirement, you must follow up the dimension requirement, and you make sure the dimension, right? Because you look back to the dimension requirement every always and often to look back to dimension requirement. uh, okay, right now I just define the radius, right? Okay, this one define right the radius 0.5, right? You just look it back to the dimension and the drawing as well, right? You make you understand more. Okay, just like this 0.5. Also, don't forget small diameter, right? Because dimension require the diameter 7 divided 16, right? This one same thing because the white color mean under constraint, the constraint that is not complete, right? Maybe some detail is absent, some detail is missed, right? You must fill in completely, fill in completely. Why did you do completed? Put in the constraint, you just check it up with the drawing, with the dimension requirement, right? This one diameter, okay, correct, 7 over 16, right? And then come back here again. Okay, this finish, I finished because it's a simple geometry, right? Simple geometry, it's a circle, right? Because I saw about here and make decision, or this part should be using about uh, circle, right? That means why did I do this? We come to circle something, right? Another line, like another feature is created from the line, like straight line. Along is a horizontal direction, and this one along is a vertical. This one is a vertical. Same thing, right? It's created right from the straight line, right? The straight line, the straight line, right? And this one is the right cut. It's at the corner. It's cut and delete sharp edge, right? We come to a curve like this. Okay, and when you take operation tools for cut it off and trim and cut the line over range, the line is right the remainder. I don't need that. How to look, how delete that. I use the tool inside of the toolbar operation. Inside of the toolbar operation, inside have there are the quick trim and corner something. I will show you that. Okay, right now, take it back. You create it. Here, it's core line. This blue color mean the automatic constraint, right? Okay, you click on here. Click on here. Maybe. Click on here. Maybe. Okay, you just create it. Touch on the circle because you make sure this line is touch on the top of the circle, right? This one you can adjust. This one is not green color and not being green color, right? Okay, green color means the fully consent. You just click on here and click on here and make yourself. Make this line by yourself. Set up this one should be the constant horizontal because you make sure the line horizontal, right? Core line of our direction of horizontal. And this one make sure is vertical, right? And this one is vertical or not, right? Don't know. Make sure again, even if this one the green color as well, right? I make sure again this green color is vertical, right? Okay, you can use it. You can go out. You protect its automatic consent and force you lock it line, right? Okay, maybe you create this, right? Avoid of the automatic consent it make your confusion. Okay, this one. Okay, it touch on here. It touch. Even if you can draw it. You can draw it far away from here, maybe, right? If your display, your screen is a little bit is rotated from the standard. You just come back by this normal view, right? This okay, you just drag up here, same, right? Okay, you can. And if I told you about you should avoid the constraint generated automatically, right? Something like this, right? You just click the start point of the line, you click on here, and the constraint. Think about you need to create the constraint over here, click on there, right? And this one, if you click on here, it make your constraint. Make its constraint. You don't need it, but the program generated by you for you, right? Because the program think about is the constraint. You select and click on the automatic constraint before that, right? And period you click on that, right? Okay, you must use it. The program think about that. right? Actually, you didn't use this position, right? I I don't need the consent, right? I don't need the consent. Okay, you just careful. You just be careful this way, right? Click delete it. Uh, click on another case. I click on here. It generates the consent again, right? Okay, it just if okay, you're going to here. Need I need it or not? I need it. Constant tangent or not? If you need, right? Okay. If you need, you click on here. It not good, right? Because it the work the coincident with the along of the v-axis, right? Okay, you don't need. But if you never known, you click on here. Boop, it's constant already. It cannot far away from the center anymore, right? Yeah, you cannot, right? Because the constant thing about you need to fix this location go along with the uh, vertical line and the v axis, something like this, right? And this one, why I told you about okay, maybe you need to avoid about automatic consent because it will make your it may be something the automatic content make you confusing some line, some profile, right? You need to do you need to do something else, but the constraint is automatically to fix. You cannot take that line far away from fixed by automatic constraint. Okay, how to solve it? Delete constraint. Okay, move it. I moved it. Okay, I need to click on here. I get it. It's just only one. I need to make the constraint tangent, right? Okay, and another thing you need to do, you must do this. Okay, horizontal. Right. Okay, I get it, and finish. Nearly finished. You just use it. Operation tool, right? This is operation tool. Inside of the operation tool is mostly in the follow up and the profile created, right, already, right? And the operation is the follow up, right? Because I need to clean up about the line, excessive line, right? Okay, the excessive line, right? You need to clean it up about quick team, delete it, right? If you double click on the command, okay, you go on delete other line until it's completed at all, right? You come back, reset again. Reset again. Okay, right now I need to double click on here and click. Okay, it not activate. Still, right? Okay, just this one, delete it, delete it, delete it because you use the line far away and okay, go far too far, right? Something is too far, you just delete uh, a lot of the time, right? And this one, you delete some line and the constraint is disappear. You just need to create a constraint again, right? Okay, this one, you check it up about the constraint, which one constraint have gone, right? Okay, it has gone. You check it by this. You okay, you can use mouse control the line, right? Okay, and this one you come back to green again because you drag out and drag in again, touch this curve, right? And tangent created for you with automatic consent, right? Okay, I just double click on the delete and victim, right? Victim, right? Victim, okay, done. Okay, I forgot the setup right here. 2 plus 1 over 4, right? Okay, done. This one, this feature, how many, how many descent created curve, how many did this? 1 inch, right? This is 1 inch, 1 inch. This one is the unit, right? NC unit, right? Use inch, use in. That means if some computer, right, your computer not yet setting up about unit to inch, right? Okay, I bring you to set up it again. It tools option and parameter and unit, right? Okay, you go into down inside, right? You down inside of the tool, right? In the spec, inside the spec unit, right? Right now, my default I set up about inch before, right? If you didn't be like me, right? Okay, you just click on here and just define millimeter, right? Millimeter. Ah, if you done, you click OK. Uh, click OK. It's a range in millimeter. And right now my exercise, okay, use inch, right? Okay, you see that inch, right? uh okay, it's it because default never have this option. It's okay. Inch, right? Inch. You just set up about unit before you create a profile or the sketch. You just set up before you create a profile in the sketch paper, right? uh, Otherwise you rather set up, right? Set up rather uh, than you done about this before, right? You done it before, you just readjust the site again, right? Site again. Okay, I just create that inch, inch, inch. This is 1 inch. This one is uh is what should be 304. 304. That's it. There it is. Done. Before you go out of this module, the module is sketcher. You just go out, right? Before you go out, you check it out. How good is it? How good is your sketch profile, right? Okay, you check out. Code source me because its code is correct, because it's a CAD model, CAD modeling. You the profile uh, can be used in the 3D model. Must be close, right? This is the principle, right? And okay, the basic you just know about it. The profile is core profile important for the CAD model. And another in the future, I will teach you more, right? Maybe it's not necessary, right? And you have known about another way you can solve, even cancel the model even in the open profile. And you go to open profile, you can solve that. I can solve that. You can use open profile for create the solid model, right? This is advanced. Okay, let's go up another level. I will tell you about that again. And right now in the simple and the basic, right? You just know about basically the CAD and solid model must use close profile, right, for creating the solid, right? Okay, solid. Is a this one ready to create solid modeling. Solid modeling. use it. The part design, I just go out from the sketcher module, and right now is you hear the part design module, right? So you just ready to use the command part design, right? Okay, the important here, I paste shift, right, and back, from left, from right side, right? Go here, in the middle of the workspace, right? Shift and paste shift and drag, it becomes to vertical, right? Or paste shift again, become to horizontal, something. This tool, the name is a sketch bed feature. So you just created about profile in the sketch first, right? Cause the sketch bed feature can be used. If never have the sketch before, a sketch bed feature could not use it. Not gonna use it because sketch bed feature, the sketch bed is right imperative, right? Imperative element, right? You must create it, right? Okay, click on sketch and click the pad. And the first command is the solid. I will tell you and show you about how to create the first one solid for you, right? And this one and pad, right? Pad just create right the thickness of the profile, right? In the from the plane, right? In the default, right? From the plane sketch, because this plane sketch you just already done about the sketch profile, right? And this command, okay, you click on this command, click on the profile, right? The profile, stay inside of the profile and slash surface selection, right? You select on there, you will get the solid, right? The preview, it's not the real, just a temporary uh, show up on the screen. If you okay, it's not good, right? The thickness is too thick. Uh, okay, you just reduce, right? And the sketch need 308, 308. That's it. Done. Click here. And you get it. Get it. You get it. The solid. Right. The first one solid. Really easy. You just only one plane. Create the profile in the sketch and go out of the sketcher module. You find out about the sketchpad feature and that from the right side, right, and use the first command solid, right? The first command solid is you complete the parameter ready to use the sketchpad feature because the sketch is already done before. Okay, let me use this one, the pad, right? The pad just this pad command. I come back to click on the pad, right? In the history, this I call that history tools. History feature, it show up the feature indicated from what command, right? You can check it up what step you just done before, right? Okay, you come back and click the old one. If you need revise some parameter, you come back, click on the previous command, go along in the tree diagram, the step by step relate on the order, its order, right? Okay, this one first, right? In the create the thickness and go along in the right, the normal. It's a normal direction. Okay, actually you can adjust. Adjust is not normal to the profile. You can adjust to another way, to another direction, right? And this one is right the default, right? You click on more. More is the more parameter can be set up, right? Can set up in your model. If you don't use it the normal, I need to use about the x use about the another direction is not normal to the profile. You can set up the direction. What direction you need to drag the profile to, right? Okay, you just define along to x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, right? And this one is current, right? This one is axis system, right? Axis system, you can make axis system more than one, right? That means why the okay the axis is normal. This one is the axis system, right? Axis system. Okay, another is the last one. Create a compass direction. Compass direction can be used for define direction, right? Direction of the path command. Direction of the path command. You can use it and use this, right? Okay, if you use it. Ah, okay. Even use the compass. Where is the compass? And right now is a program never know about where is the compass, right? Okay, it not show up on your model, right? Okay, I just show you. I dragged up. It's a compass. This compass. This one I dragged up and go a line of the point, center point, right? Or center point. If you, okay, you just show it up side view, right? And right now is the compass. It will click in the compass. Gray color. Okay, you show you. I dragged up is the point, right? I just control and drag something. I just go direction. This is focus on this direction is the represent the direction for the path command, right? Okay, I just use it. Just use it. Apply preview. Compass, right? Okay, you see, I click on compass, right? Is the go direction here, right? The direction is change. Based on the direction of the compass here. Uh, Maybe sometimes someone confused. What about exact? What about setting exact angle, exact the direction of the compass? Right? How do I do? Right? How do I do? Okay, I will show you. I just double click on here. Uh, See, this one is the direction. Direction is the acceleration, is the angle, right? The angle allow of the far from x, far from y, something, right? From z, something. Okay, the angle. If I set up 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, you notice my compass over here. I apply, but come back to 0 again, right? If I need to set up 45 degree, okay, rotate around y because it x the y create allow y 45 degree. Okay, just you expect about the vertical line of the compass should be moving to the 45 degree. Okay, along its y-axis 45, right? You apply again, right? 45, right? Around of y-axis, the y-axis is here. Here is the y-axis. Here is the x-axis. The z-axis. Right? Okay, I just close and apply. Okay. Okay, just again, right? Yeah, 45 degree. Right? Here, it's correct. Yes. Click OK. Confirm. Confirm. This one, right? The axis you can hide. I done about this. If you done about this, okay, you just return the compass to its home, right? Its home. Let me another way to create it. Shorter, farther, right? Something. Okay, I will show you, right? And right now I created the automatic is solid part body, right? The default part of the part design is the default. If you can create add up about another solid, right? Another solid, and you can use insert and body, right? Okay, and this body and another body, the part body, right? The main body is the default, and this one another body you need to do some part, right? Some solid, and it and freely and independently from the part design. It's not correlated each other, and this one the body to impedance, fully impedance the parameter and something inside of the part body, right? You can hide of this. Okay, it not affect high of this. It not affect body too. If body too high being hidden, it not affect to the part body, right? Either impedance each other, independent each other. Either and this one this way, I think it's a very useful for creating about the complicated part, right? I will show you later. I'll show you later. And right now is a focus on the body too, and another way I need to know about this underline. The underline mean define in work object too, right? When I create it, okay, just let me create it another, right? Axis. Okay, it's the front view, right? I created maybe I created. Okay, another way I can hide of this, can hide of this, right? Hide, right? And the part and this body dot two is show up, and part body been hidden because it's a impedance each other, right? Okay, I will create another way. Use the profile, right? The profile you know about. This is one one space one space of the grid grid pattern, right? Grid pattern is one space of the grid pattern. Is the 0.39, right? Almost 0.4 inch, right? Okay, how I know, right? How did I know, right? Okay, I just bring you to here option and going to here the medical design and sketcher. The sketcher is show up on the grid. The grid is the graduation. Graduation is 10. Graduation mean this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 10 graduation, right? 3.937 inch. All of this is space 3.9, right? You need to know about it. And one space, right? One space of the grid in the graduation on of the 10, right? Is the 10 grid, right? 10 space, 10 space, 10 space of grid, right? And this one 10 space of grid, and distance 3937, and per one 0.39, just okay, approximate is a 0.4, 0.4. Okay, something. And if you change this one parameter unit, you change to the millimeter, how many size in the one space of the grid pattern. You need to know. You just go back to the sketcher again, it will become to millimeter, right? Okay, maybe I set up millimeter, show you, apply, click okay, that's it, click okay, and come back again. It's this one sketcher, become to 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter per one space, right? spread, spread, because it's 100 millimeter. It's 10 graduation. It's graduation, and per one 100 divided by 10 become to 10 millimeter. Millimeter is a one space. One space is a 10 millimeter something. Okay, let me turn it back. Setting unit become 2 inch again. Okay, set up. I just use about the profile. I will show you the profile if you use, right? And this one is the size, and the size, and the size is the 2104, 2104, 2104 in the per space, right? Per one space is 0.5. I just okay 5. I think it's 5 approximately 5. Okay, I just use it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, maybe I just did. Okay, you found about it or not? You found about it or not? And sketch 2. If you never seen about it, right? You just come back to this, right? The the limb of the program, right? Okay, so is it's saved. It's saved. Click button, right button, and check it out about the sketch tool is tick on, right? It tick on the delete option or not. Right? Tick on about this option or not. You check by yourself, right? If it didn't turn on, okay, you just turn on. You tick is open and activate this option as well, right? Okay, and for me, I keep it turn on, right? Okay, turn on and it did up, and this sketch is pop up, right? Okay, if you just turn on, right, you just create a new again. Okay, just turn on already. It show up on your screen on the sketcher module. So click on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something. And click. It's tangent, right? It's continuous create the profile, right? Continuous and the tangent arcs, and this one T-point arc you can create in the one command, right? It's a one command. I just know about it. Just so I stop at here because I know about it's approximate. It's a size, the real size. The real size is 2 plus 1/4, right? Okay, it's not far too much from the dimension, right? From the dimension requirement, right? Otherwise, you can confuse some dimension after you set up the real dimension, right? The real dimension relate on the dimension requirement, right? And the shape is flip up, the shape is change too much. Can change too much. You maybe make you confusing about when you adjust the shape too much. And right now I just approximate and nearly the exact the dimension requirement, right? When I set up the real, right, I create the dimension and put in the real side and not change too much, right? Just change too much. Okay, I just click on here, here, here. Just oh sorry, done, right? Done. I fill in the side, right? The side is 0.5, right? Radius something, right? It change, right? It's not change too much. You just you this little bit. Just gradually set up the real side. Yeah. Right. Okay. Set up the horizontal. Right. Okay. And this one. click here, the vertical already. This one is not vertical, right? Okay, just set our vertical. This side 0.5, 0.5. Right? Right now it's not co-align center, right? Coincidence center. You just make it by yourself. Click the center of the circle and keep control the button in your keyboard, right? And click another point and pick this geometry constraint. Geometry constraint, you click on coincident, right? Co the center. The center of the circle co-align of the center of the paper, the center paper and the sketch, right? This one, okay, this one. And define the distance because the dimension requirement need you set up 2 plus 1 over 4, right? Another, click on here and set and horizontal, you get it. You select on the H axis, right? And easy to define the vertical dimension. Point plus 1 over 4. Okay, and this side, the purple color cannot use cannot use anything. Yeah, you be care you are careful about it. Purple color, you avoid this. Yeah, right, this one. 3 over 4, right? And this one you must solve, right? And this one is the and this one is via constraint automatic created, right? And this one, why did I tell you about automatic constraint? Is sometimes it's very is useful, helpful, right? And sometimes it's very bad, right? It make you confusing about some time, right? Something like this, something like here, right? I need to set up about it the site, and the program is cannot allow you set up, right? You see, allow you set up because it's a purple color, it's a over consent. It's over consent is very serious. You cannot out of the sketch and create the 3D model. You cannot anymore, right? Anymore. That means why? You need to solve it. You see? And this one, the coincident consent, this one, necessary or not? You must use this consent or not? You analyze. Right? You analyze. And it don't necessarily use it. Right? Not necessary to use it. Why? Because it's co-align. Why? Co-align the center y-axis, v-axis. Why? Why this point must be coincident? This why is not possible. Can be used another, right? It's not necessary to set up the co-align coincident. This point co-center is not, right? Not necessary, right? Okay, you just delete it. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter the co-align of the v-axis, right? Okay, right now around you set up already 1 millimeter inch radius, done, right? So in other final, the smaller circle, define the side, define the side. And this one should be 7 over 16. This one the same. This one same. Over 16. Done. Outside. Go out. Go out. use it. uh, if found you found the error message error is pop up your screen, okay, and you look at in the detail in the text message, right? You look at the text message and find about open profile or not. Is it open profile? Is it not allow you create the 3D model or something, right? You just okay, accept and okay, and okay, it cancel or anything and come back for solving about that problem, right? You come here and click sketch analysis, right? You found about the message and found about the open. It's open something and keep that open. Okay, we show and the small screen. Small window is show up on where right? where the where does it the error, right? Where the error, what the point, where the location it should be solved something, right? We show you of this, and allow of this about this show you right the right blue color is show you what kind of error and where does is where the error does it locate. Allow of the profile, allow the profile it show you right the right blue color it show you right blue color show you. Okay, maybe I found that problem. Maybe come turn back and show you again. I click okay. Ah, right here, right here show up on your screen, right? Okay, two part, right? Two part is not uh it's not the same, right? Okay, not the same. You can set up the color independently, right? And this one you can set up the color is yellow something. Okay, and another you to set up the another color, right? Different color. You must which one? Okay, this is the underline. Underline mean you're gonna do something, everything, the new feature, create a new feature, and do something in the command, create a new feature. And the new feature is going to add up the tree at the body too, because the underline appear on the body too, right? And sometimes you need to do something, add feature, something inside of the part body, right? The new feature you need to insert to the part body. You just click right button and define work object. Here, right now, the underline focus on the part body already. That means you can use another every tool, right? The new tool, new command. That command fill in here part body. Okay, I will show you if I need to sketch, right? Sketch here, sketch, and this one, the yellow color, right? A high of this because independent each other. I will create the inlet part something. Okay, just create part. Yeah, finish. Maybe I done. I created it, right? You see the new command, new sketch, new whatever. I need to create the new one command and they put into the part body, right now. Okay, I will use it. Pad. Okay, pocket. Pad pocket the same, right? Because the pocket right remove the part axis remove some material out of the path axis, right? Okay, something you can drag by your mouse, right? That the distance or this side limit one, right? Limit one is to come from here. Limit one is the path left side, command path, and the path more detail and show up on the command block, right? The second limit, right? This is the one second limit. You can adjust how far that is creating about rings, right? Ring for pocket, remove from axis material, right? Axis material. Because I select on the pocket remove pad, add the material, pocket remove material. Just that it, remove. Okay, you see here. Everything you done under the defined object, right? In the part part body, right? And if okay, in the same way, if you need to put in the command, new command, and you make the part body tool, you make the part body tool and add more feature, add the part body tool. You just need to switch to define, switch to the part body tool with define invert object, right? Okay, come back part body because I need to set up the color. Set up the color here. Okay, I just hide. You should save. You should save from time to the time. Time to time, right? Often save. Save yourself. So maybe the program is terminate. It's go out anyway. Maybe you just save the part you have done before. Often from time to time. Save. Management. And right now I just create just one part, right? It's one part, never have the product anything, right? Okay, you just and it's the one go to the window and the part I open it's just one file. It's a one file you can save direct, right? Okay, I keep it to our class, right? Our class where okay, I thought it this yes okay, just I create a new and video part number one. It's feature in it video. I done, right? I just close, create a new file again. Previous one example, you use just only one pane or one sketch enough for creating about the part, so solid part relate on the example, relate on the dimension requirement. And right now, if it's a little bit more complicated, not one sketch not enough anymore. Okay, I focus on this problem 8.83. 8.83. Still use is the unit inch, right? ANSI standard from America, USA, right? This standard. Use ANSI. Use inch. Still use YC pen. in the front view, I define this direction. We come to YC pane. If I click on the view, click on the view toolbar, click on the view toolbar, like this, become to front. Or okay, you should switch and rotate. Okay, stop at normal your eyesight, right? Okay, this one. Click on in here and keep that. Okay, I just got the sketch paper. Look back this. I will explain you how to make it. How to make it become to solid model. See here, circle is right the cylindrical part, and this one right the square bar, right? The square bar is extrusion, extrude to the right side, right? Maybe. And right now, I told you before, right now you have known about something I told you before, right? And the complicated part is generated and created from the simple part. That means you forgot the simple part. The simple part one, simple part two, simple part three, and is combined and shaping each other. We come to the complicated part, and this one I separate. I forgot and break it down to the two part. Part number one, this is cylindrical, and part number two, right, the square part, right, square part. I start up at the square, the cylindrical part first. Okay? And the reference axis of the H and V and center point of the paper should be here, because this one reference to here, right? And the distance of the square bar, right, is here, and this center. Okay, you make decision by yourself, because it's the reference easier, and for me I set up on here, right? The center, click on the circular command. This okay, define radius, right? You read back to the dimension. Outside diameter 1 plus 5 over 8. Another the diameter and the hole through is not by hole, is the true hole, right? Okay, I just follow up about the dimension. Is the outside diameter 1 plus 5 over 8. And this one 7 over 8 inch, right? You check it back again, inch or not. Okay, yes. Out of sketch, and pad. Right? One, you must be checking in your the dimension, right, in your file, and you find the dimension requirement, what detail in the dimension, right, in this picture, in this example. 1 plus 7 over 16. Yes. Okay. It's part number one. Part number two in this zone, the square bar, this square bar. Go to right side. Right? Okay, this side, right? Okay, you focus on this. On here, and another touch on the cylinder, right? Something. Okay, you can do this. I'll show you. I'll create a new sketch for the square bar, right? Okay, this the side. Okay, show you the side from the center, right? From the center to the end of the bar, the square bar is 3 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 2. And this the thickness is height of this bar 13 over 16. And radius same thing. You can use it as a circle. And maybe you just create a profile. You actually you didn't know about your center or not, right? Okay, just create it. Uh, 3 curve, maybe right here. This one, uh, something like this. I click this one. Okay, that one. I can delete it. The coincident. I define the line. This line from the center, right? And from the center. And okay, the form and confirm about co-arrive the center. Uh, 3 3 part 3 plus 1 over 2. Keep okay. Uh, Over 2. And this thickness, the height of this 13, 16. Okay, this one should be touched, right? The control, you don't forget, you press, you will select more than 2 elements, more than 1 element. You must press the control in the keyboard and grab the control and hold the control and select the element you need to create the consent, right? And right now I need to create a consent using uh, first one and another one because this line should be tangenting the circle, right? The circle, right? That means why did I select 2 elements right here? Come with the control in the keyboard. The tangent, yeah. You can drag it to go beyond of the touch point. I confirm about this, confirm about a touch 100%, and use the quick trim, cut it off, right? And make sure the list line and touch on the tangent point, touch on the tangent point 100%. This 17, 16, Okay, this one should be tangent here. Uh, this you need to cut off generate is the close profile, right? Because it's one not yet completed close profile. Okay, you just I introduce you the new tools in the sketcher module, right? And this one is the last one in the command block, command toolbar is operation. And there are okay four sub command inside of the last command, right? And over here is a project 3D element. I use the project 3D element. I need to project the edge solid, right? The edge of the solid model I already done before, right? I need to project this edge come into the sketch, come into the sketch. Click on here, right? Click okay, touch and touch. This one is a project to my sketch already, right? Already. And the yellow color means associate the edge. If the edge is changed, the yellow color line is changed as well. I call that associate each other. Associate each other. And that dependent the edge of the solid. Right? To stay outside of the sketch paper, right? And right now associate each other with the yellow line, yellow curve, and yellow curve. And when the solid, right? The solid, this solid is changed a little bit, right? Maybe you change sketch the cylindrical, uh, cylindrical part, right? Change the diameter, and yellow color is changed as well. And that means associate, right? Uh, if you don't need associate each other, maybe you need to set up about yellow color independent with the part, the cylindrical part independent each other, because the solid is changed, the line still be here. It's not change anything, it's still something like that. Okay, and maybe I just you can use it isolate, right? If I use it isolate, that means yellow become to white color. Okay, right here. And right now it's not independent each other anymore, and not right now it's not dependent anymore, right? Become to independent, right? Okay. Okay, let me delete it. I will use the yellow color, maybe. Okay, we show you. If you get right, you get a yellow color right here, and right now I need to use it. You can use the tool victim tool normally, right? Normally, or I will set, I will cut it off, right? I will cut it off here, right? It's this one here. That's it. That's it. I got it. I got it. Okay. This one. This one. I need to because it's a white line, white curve, right? And okay, maybe it abnormal, right? Uh it's not change something. It's weird. You check it up, right? Okay, you can drag. Okay, you know about this. Oh, it's the reference axis, right? In this point and go to reference axis. In right now it change, and that means you must solve that problem. Okay, you click on here the axis, the fixed axis. Okay, it confirm about it not go away, not being moving anymore, right? Because it's a fixed axis, and I confirm here. Double click again. 3 plus 1 over 2. Yeah. Okay. Success. Now and path. Okay. Uh, Details on drawing 304. Uh, Accept. Fillet. Okay. This one fillet, right? Here 1/4. 1/4. I use the command this data feature. Inside of the command data feature, this one is data feature. Normally in the bed sketch bed feature should be done first and use the data feature follow up a bed sketch bed feature. It is done before, right? And it follow up using a data feature because data feature it like the decorate right, the decorate with the sharp edge become too smooth something, and the solid part become too hollow, right, using about it shell, right, shell. And some part you need to make it become to taper shape something, right, using about draft, right? And the behind you must be done everything, and there there was it's a part already, right? There was a part created from the sketchpad feature already, right? And the follow up by a data feature because you need to decorate some shape, some edge, some hole, something, right? Use data feature. And right now I need data feature to do the fillet shape, right? The fillet shape 1/4. 1/4 radius here, right? And this 1/4, same thing. Yeah, done about this. Right? I save it. Because just only one in my window, my work, just only file. I use it. Save uh, three. Last one example. Create a part. New part. I will use this 8.94, right? Use this one. Stop page. Okay. Uh, I will set up the front view. Over here, front view. That means you will change to the front view. Front view, you can use the sketch, right? Sketch direct select on YC page. Get it. Create it. The center, the whole. Oh, this example use the SI metric, standard metric. This is an SI millimeter. Okay, I will bring you to set up power unit. I change the unit to the millimeter. Millimeter. Yes. Okay. Okay. Millimeter. And the center hole. Center. This. Center. This example, right? I will set up this one is 0, x0, y0 over here, the center of the circle, because this one is a symmetry, right? The symmetry, maybe in the future I use a mirror, use this side, this side the mirror to another side, right? Easier. That means I keep my axis, the sketch axis, to the center uh, of the circle. The circle is a 32 millimeter radius. 32. Profile. Just use it. Approximate it. Tangent. Just it. And let me give it the size, give it the dimension. Okay. Line 38, right? 38. 38. 38. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, dimension. Outside 32 is outside, inside 38, right? Diameter 38. Diameter is 38. 38. The diameter 38. It's outside radius. Outside. Outside 32, right? Okay, the center. This one show us about dimension requirement, right? It's co-align center, the center concentric center, and inside smaller circle, and outside bigger circle is co-align at the center. Right, coincident at the center. It is the radius 32, right? And the center is co-align center of the smaller circle, right? That means you must keep it uh, control, press control, and move to the center over here, co-align, co-center of the smaller circle, right? Co-center like this. And this one should be 30 radius, right? 32 radius. Okay. And this should be symmetry, right? You click control, press control, your keyboard, right? And one more, select that. And another is the last one, should be symmetry axis, right? Symmetry axis is the last one I select on here, right? Select on here. Okay, adjust symmetry. Oh, sorry. Again. Click on here. Escape first. Select again. Select again. Sorry. Here. Control and press axis. Click here. Symmetry. Right? Symmetry. And okay, the height of the longer curve. Uh, Longer curve is over here, right? How many sides? How long is it? Okay, 21 plus 32, so 41. 41. 41 plus 32 plus 41. And this one, why this one being white color? Because not yet completed. consent is not full, right? Because it's not tangent, right? It's not defined, not just defined, it's tangent, right? Okay, you just define tangent. That's it. That's it. You can draw another sketch, you can write the previous one example. Use it. Okay, this one element, another element. You should be use another sketch, right? That way you can do that. You can do right the previous one example. And right now I will teach you another way, right? Because previous way you have done before, you have known before, right? And this one another way. I try to use one sketch, right? One sketch, and one sketch over here. I draw it. I draw it. I draw it right here. Mhm. Yes. Uh, okay. What length you measure? Measure. 96. 96. 96. That's it. How to do this? Because cost profile, right? Cost profile should be made analyze. Make analysis. Right? You uh, going to walk along of the curve, right? It never have the separate way when you're tracking on the curve. Okay, it's go along is one curve, one curve, one curve, one curve until here, until a separate two way. If it's two way, that means it's not code profile anyway. But you can use another. You can do another way, right? I will prove you prove this example is a profile. It's not close, right? Okay, if you use about this, okay, this one it show you about it. This one is open profile, and double click on here, and you prove the profile is bad and not bad, using sketch analysis, right? And show you about this open profile, right? Open profile, you cannot use it. Open profile, right? And this one is show you again. This one is a point, is a problem point because this one, right? The multi-way split it out from the one way to come in and split it out to two way, right? And this the point is the problem. Is there two problem, right? It's one and two, okay? One and two, right? It show you this is the problem, right? It show you here, and it show you right the blue right color, right? I told you before, you right color, and if okay, this one, this the profile I intend, right? I intend to do like this, right? And if sometime it not it not mean write me something, right? You mean okay, it's code profile, sure. Okay, that what you can you should be solving about 2 point, right? About 2 point. And right now I mean do this, right? I mean do this. It close. Out. I select it. Select it. It multi profile. I multi path. Right here, multi path. It's a multi path. This one. This one. Okay, it's code profile is one code profile and a multi path. Okay, have understood about my attention, right? My intention. Okay, it's cover about the one close profile, right? Understand me. The dimension is 20 plus 12, right? Plus 12. Okay, we set up the 20 plus 20 plus 12. Here, done. And it's another curve. Uh, 20 plus 12 plus 20, right? 20 plus 20 plus 12. Uh, okay, the last one. The drawing. The drawing. Okay. This one, right? The whole, right? The whole. Not necessary to create the solid because it's a whole. Click OK. You got it. You got it. We make the sign in the chamfer shape, right? Actually, not exact the chamfer shape. If you use the chamfer shape, right? Okay, chamfer shape. Okay, I try for you. You select on here, here, ring. Okay. The length number one, length number two, right? Length number one. I think about this. 41, right? 41. Okay, I try 41. I think I try for 20. Okay, something like this. If you use this way, right, and linear chamfer shape, right? It show you it's not uh satisfy about the problem. The satisfy is not satisfy the problem. Need you make a chamfer shape another way, right? Okay. That means this way cannot, right? Cannot. Okay, delete. You try another the basic way. I use the sketch, right? Okay, I try to use sketch right here. Okay, the sketch, the normal sketch is switch the paper shape and the paper, right? Switch to another rotation, right? It's orientation. It's not. I'm not prefer in the annotation the paper for me like this, right? That means I will come back and set up by myself, right? Okay, I use it sketch position sketch. I use position sketch. I click on again, right? Okay, you see about this the axis generated automatically, right? Axis is the default axis for my paper, right? I'm not prefer orientation of the axis like this, right? I need to swap, right? Swap here. Swap is a h. H must be going to right hand. Sure, direction is a right hand, and V should be raise up, right? Lift up. Okay, I revert, right? Okay, sure. Something like this, something like this. Okay, I got my orientation, right? On the paper. Okay, they need this orientation for my paper. Got easy to set up about the shape, and you need to delete delete the sharp edge and at the corner. I think. Okay, return normal view. And right now I need to okay, extract this shape, right, to my sketch. Okay, again, this one using about the toolbar project 3D element here, here. And you can isolate. Right? You use the isolate. You need to set up the yellow color to be independent, right? Independent. And I define the size because I know this is on drawing, right? You see here, 12. It's 12. It's go under the corner, right? The sharp, the end of the corner. Okay, you go down 12, right? And to left, okay, go down is the 41, right? So I create a shape. Take a line here. Uh, like that. I cut it off. Cut it off. Double click a quick team here, here. Okay, clean up and set up the site. Okay, delete on the drawing. 41, 41. Sorry. Okay, I fix it. Okay. This one, this sand I fix by define the dimension constant. Right, constant. And this, okay, change to 41, 41, 41. Oh, not be that. Okay, delete. Um, okay, define it different. 57. I just define next one. Uh, 20, right? It's 20. 20. Okay, 20. This one go align with it. Go align with it. Coincident. Coincident. Right? Right here. If you need to create a coincident point, key control. Control and control again. Coincident. Okay, I got it. I got it. This shape. Okay, and out. Let's go out sketch right here. I know that. And another line on the top, right? Okay, you need to know about this, uh, the point, right? You see that you need to know about this point. Water location is the end of the chamfer shape. Okay, I create a sketch on the top, right? You need to make something on this location, right? Which one, which situation you need to add out a feature where, where is the where the place, where the place area to the table of the sketch, right? Okay, you need to place it on. Okay, click on it here because I need to make it become to the table of the socket. Okay, this one. Swap again, and H reverse. Right? Okay, I got it. I got it here. Create the line. This line. Create the line. hidden line. This point and this point co-align with it, right? Co-align with it. You can use the coincidence right here, coincidence right here. Okay, this one at the end, another end is co-align with it, right? It curve, right? Control this one, control this one, and click coincidence, right? And coincidence right here. Uh, at the end, at the end, see it. Okay, you click on here, hit on here. Oh, sorry. Click control, click another point. Oh, this one. Click another point. Click control. Oh, sorry. Click OK. Click control. Click another point. One coincidence right here. Done. Right. Okay, done. Right. Click out of this. Out of this. You click this get base feature. You have known about the multi-pad, right? Pad and pocket, right? And leaf slot, right? And right now should be used should be used the slot, right? Because you need to delete and take the material off. Take material off, relate on the center curve, relate on the guideline curve, right? This is the section, this is the profile, this is the center curve, right? And different from the pad command. The pad command is the profile. It's a profile, right? The cut section and profile, right? And go along the direction normal. It normally it's normal from the sketch pane, right? And if you need to create another direction, you can use the compressor, right? I told you already. And this way, you can use the normal, that pad pocket you can use because the direction is straight line. Like go straight line, you can use it the pocket and define the direction. You can another way you can use the slot. I can do a slot. And slot is cut the material off, right? And this one and the leaf create the material, right? And go along with the center curve. Center curve is maybe the like the curve is not straight line. Right? It's the curve, right? You can use it leaf and you remove the material, right? You use the slot, right? And right now I will try to use the pocket, right? The pocket, right? Okay, I select on here and here, and it's not normal anymore. I select on the curve right here. Okay, I that it's more the ring attention to over the solid, right? And go to it over uh, the ring out of the solid, right? Okay, like this. I pocket, right? Okay, click OK. Click OK, right? You got it. You got it shape. Right? You got it shape. Another shape. Okay, I will use because it's the symmetry part, right? It's a half the right side. Okay, you just it's coning, right? Just it's a mirror. Especially it just pocket. Okay, I select on the pocket just only one special feature and take the mirror to another side, right? Easier. Okay, I will do that, right? How I do that? How do I do this? I use it. Use about where is it? Hmm. Or transform, right? If you could not find out about it, find out about the command transform feature, Miller, Miller, click Miller, Miller, and this one, the pane, right? Okay, pane. I keep that to the center already, right? Easy to use that. Select is not current solid. Solid mean on of the feature inside of the part body. I don't do this. I don't do this. I need to mirror just only pocket, right? Just only pocket. Okay, you could select on the pocket and create the mirror right, part. I done. I just done. So, okay, I just hide the wireframe sketch. Right. This one, if you need to hide, you click right button and hide. Okay, done. Okay, done. Very easy, right? Very easy. I saved it. Saved it. Now, picture. Picture 894. Picture 894. Picture 894. Click save. I have done the picture. Okay. I think today it should be leave, right? Because it take a long time to review the detail, the basic sketch, basic 3D modeling. Right, the first day in this course, right? I conclude everything to this video, right? Okay, see you next video. I will add up some detail to the video, another video again. Thank you.